How to remove a passkey on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a passkey on WhatsApp. It's super simple, so let's get started. But before that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like our video. Now let's move on towards the video. In order to remove a passkey on WhatsApp, you need to simply open up your WhatsApp app. Once you're in the app, you need to head over to the settings that is located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you're in the settings, you need to scroll down and tap on account. Then you can see an option that says passkeys. You need to simply go ahead and tap on that. If you have set up the passkey, this will be right here just like this. Now that you have found your passkey, you need to simply go ahead and tap on delete option over here. Then this will ask you a confirmation whether you want to delete it or not. You need to simply go ahead and tap on delete again. And that's it. You now know how to remove passkey from your WhatsApp account. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.